Hello and welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account locked problem. Have you ever come across this kind of an issue while logging into your account? If yes, this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. There are a number of reasons why you might be locked out of your TikTok account. The most common reason for an account being inaccessible is simply that you've forgotten your password or your login information. Your account can also be locked if you have been engaged in an activity that is against the TikTok platform. Here are some of the tips and tricks in order to get out of this situation. The first thing you can try out is to restart your device. Simply turn your device off and turn it back again and see if that resolves your issue. If that works, then that's great. If not, the next thing you can do is check your internet connection. If TikTok cannot detect an internet connection, you may not be able to log into your account. Once you have a strong network connection, you can simply go to TikTok and try logging in again. Next thing you can try out is to clear your application's cache. Sometimes you'll need to clear your app cache in order to log in. To do this, simply go to your settings and tap on Applications or Apps. Search for TikTok from the list of the applications displayed. Tap Open the application, and from this page, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, tap on OK and go back to TikTok and try logging into your account one more time. These were some of the fixes you can try out whenever you're walking through this kind of a situation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.